when it comes to creating your email marketing campaigns, you want to focus on creating value based content. Those are the kinds of emails that are going to get you high opens and clicks and get you conversions. If you don't focus on getting creative with your email marketing campaigns, if you don't create value based content that resonates with your leads, you're going to be leaving a lot of money on the table and you're going to be wasting a ton of time. Create value based content in which it's the kind of emails, the kind of information that your lead is looking for. Now, how are you going to know if your email marketing campaigns are going to work? You don't. Not unless you test them. As an email marketer and as a marketer in general, and this is what I learned from my coaches and mentors, Ace and Rich Guzman, you always want to test, track, and tweak. Now, with your email marketing campaigns, you got to test your emails, track those results, track how many opens are you getting and how many clicks are you getting, and make the necessary tweaks and just keep on rinsing and repeating that process until you get the desired result that you're looking for.